Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert text files to PDF file format? If yes, download the 4 and 6 document converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Open button and you can see multiple options available to select a file. Select Text Files option and click on it. Tool provides you Select File and Select Folder option. We are choosing Select Folder option to browse text file folder from System and then tap on Select Folder button. As you see now, all the folders are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, check the required folder in the software panel. Users can see the complete details of a text file like size, created date, modified date, and file location. The software provides export option to convert text file into multiple document files. We are selecting PDF option from the list. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save conversion result. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first one is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. The next is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. Click on Save button to start the process of conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on OK button. Go to Open folder and click on it. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get text files converted into PDF file format. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.